in this video, I have a rainbow try on for you guys that I'm going to let you see. I bought a couple of things. Well, I bought a lot of things from Rainbow. So I'm going to pick and choose some things that I am. And the bag is pretty heavy. I'm going to pick and choose what I'm going to be wearing so I can show you guys. And some of these clothes came from the clearance rack, and some of them didn't come from the clearance rack. So I have a lot of stuff. And this dress is one of them that I bought from there. I think this is like a large, and this was like $7.99. So this wasn't on the clearance rack, but we're going to be trying this on. So I'm going to try this on first and let you see what this looks like. And this is in a size large. She is $7.99. She's a size large, and she's very stretchable. The material is like spandex type. I like the fact that I don't have a brassiere on, guys. Let me see what this looks like. I don't have a brassiere on at all. But of course, if you want to, you can have on one to lift your girls up. You know, so it could be like this from the side instead of being like that. But it doesn't matter to me. I will wear one, you know, when the time comes, maybe, maybe not. But if you don't want your, you know, you might want to put something on top of it. But yes, this dress is really nice. If you want to, like, lift it up a little bit more, you can. But I'm going to wear this too. Dress exactly how it is. It's really nice and soft and silky like. And I bought this from Rainbow, guys, for like $7.99. This was not on the clearance rack. These tube dresses are $7.99. And these are the latest tube dresses that they do have. So let me see if I can move back so you can see it even more. Let's see how much stretch we have in here. Just in case if you are an extra large, you want an extra large or something, it's a lot of stretch. So I think you still can get away with it. Don't have a great big 2X or 3X if you are my size. You know, if you wanted to fit like this, then you need a large. Okay, let's see what I have next. I'm going to try on, it's like a black sweater dress, and it has, this is first off a 1X, and it has like a sweater. It's sweatery like, but it's spandexy too. I can't describe it, but it's nice and, you know, stretchable. So I'm gonna try this on, and like I said, this is a 1X, and this right here was on the clearance rack for $5. Stretch to it, but I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't have on a bra at all. I probably should put a bra on. I will when it's time, but that way you be lift up like this. And if you don't, I'm telling you, it's see-through too. It is see-through. But this is a nice tube dress. This was on the clearance rack, and it's like sweatery like, with the sweater part going down this way. It's really nice, guys, really nice. I like the way that it fits me, and yeah, really nice and comfortable. Why is this like this? Okay, really nice and comfortable. I like the colors that's up here. You know, this is a nice summer dress. Even though it is sweater, I think that it's still a nice summer dress. And this is a 1X. I could have got a large, but you know, sometimes when you get them off the clearance rack, you're not going to get, you know, a large or anything like that. So, yeah. Okay, here we go, babies. We have a nice romper, and this is a pants romper type situation. And it comes all the way down to the feet. Very stretchy. This is a size large, and it has pockets in it. You know, I still don't have on a brassiere with this, guys. You know, because I just feel like wearing a brassiere. But anyway, if you don't want to wear one, you don't have to. If you want to like wear like a half bra or something like that, you can wear. But it still give you that effect like this. If you can see from the side, it still give you that. But it has like, it's black with gold chains. It has blue and green, and you know, the blue and green is a belt. It's like a belt type thing. It has the pockets, and I think that this is overall just really nice. Really nice and comfortable and really stretchy. Do you see how big this is? But it forms back to your shape. So I'm thinking if you are 2X, now this part right here fits you like really tight. Really, I mean, well, not, it don't fit me tight, but it's tight enough where as though if you are like a 1X or a 2X, then you might want to get the 1X or something, because it's tight up in this area. It's like a little belt type thing, you know. But it's really, this is gorgeous. This is like really gorgeous. Really gorgeous, honey. Yes, I know you guys miss me, because I miss you guys. Y'all guys been basically texting me and asking me, Jay, is everything okay? We miss you. You have not recorded in a while. And I just had to take some time for me. You know, it was either quit the YouTube channel and get out of the YouTube community, or it was basically take some time for myself. So I took some time for myself. And in the midst of me taking time for myself, things have been happening really great for me. So I'm very thankful. Now, you guys know I have bought this shirt right here, and I have tried this shirt on before. So what I did, try to measure it up or whatever, I had went on and got these pants right here from Rainbow. But I mean, it can match and then it don't match, but I'm going to be trying to match these up. These pants right here was $10. And I also had got this skirt right here that I tried on. And you know, you gotta try the clothes on first. So I had got this skirt also that I'm gonna try on probably with that shirt. I'm gonna try that shirt on first. I want to put on like a little sports bra or whatever. That way that I can be able to show you this shirt. This is one of the shirts I bought, which is it's a large. And this shirt right here was $5 on the clearance rack. It has like the Blair arms and everything, the flare arms, whatever you want to call it. And it's very, very see-through. So I wanted to show you guys this one with this. And this right here is a high-waisted skirt. And it's like a mustard yellow. And it is like really, really nice. So of course I would not wear this bra with it. But I can't come to you, because I didn't have a bra on, remember. I can't come to you without a bra on, you know what I'm saying? So I just thought maybe I'll just go ahead and throw on some type of sports bra or whatever. That way I can show you this shirt and get this one out of the way. So this one right here ties in the front, and the string of course goes there. And we have the flare arms right here, which is really, really gorgeous. This is beautiful. So it has a collar to it, and on the collar it is black and white, and it has some yellow, and it has a very nice design on it, which is really, really cute. I thought this was cute. And then on the other side is a little different. So I love it. Now onto this skirt. Now this shirt, like I said, is a large, but on this skirt is a medium, and it's a high-waisted skirt. It has gold buttons, 1, 2, 3, 6 gold buttons on it. And it's like a high-waisted pencil skirt. And I'm gonna tell you, this skirt is like really gorgeous. This skirt was actually, you will not believe how much this skirt was. I forgot it already. I gotta look at the tag. But anyway, I'll look at the tag and I'll put it on the thing right there for you. So what I'm gonna do also is take this off, and I'm gonna go ahead on and let me see, I tried on that. I'm gonna go ahead on, because it's a whole lot of things you can wear with this skirt. This one right here is an XL, and this one was $12.99, and this is like lacy. If you can see it, it's like lacy like this. I love the ruffles on the arms and everything. And then around the back it has that, around the neck area. So I have not tried this one on yet, so I'm gonna be trying it on with you guys. Also down here it's like a cloth spandex material, so I'm gonna try this one on with you guys, because I have not tried this on. And I'm gonna be seeing if, oh come on, hot guys. This is a braid wig I made. So this shirt right here is really ruffled, but I'm gonna tell you it's kind of like tight right here, but it's cute, you know what I'm saying? It's really cute. So I love this shirt. Look at this shirt, it's really cute. But of course I would not wear it with this, you know what I'm saying? I just have this on, guys, just because you know. So anyway, the other one I have is a very, very see-through one. This is a very see-through one, and this is a size 1XL, and this was $14.99. And we're talking about really see-through. So this is huge though. This is really huge. But it's a see-through shirt. I don't know if I want to try this on. Do I want to try this on? Let me see if I want to try it on or not. I'm not trying to show y'all just in case if something come out, you know. I don't know about this. You know, but you have to have a nice sexy bra or something like that if you try this, if you have this on. And I have not tried this one on either. Oh my goodness. Either. So I don't know what I'm getting myself into, but we will see in a minute. Come on, braids, stop doing this to me. Okay, ooh. I don't know what I would do with her yet. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't have, I never tried her on, and I really can't see her that good. Besides a makeup mirror right here. So, let me see. I'm gonna tell you off the back, I love these arms. I really do love the arms. This is what she look like in the back. But I love the flare. I love the flare. But of course, I would have to decorate her, get her together. You know what I mean? So, let me see if I got any more shirts in here. Well, of course, I got like these little shirts or whatever. And these were like $3 for these, like these shirts like this. The little, you know, I'm gonna try the shirt on. I got a pink one and I got a let me turn around again. I had got a pink one and I had also got a black one. Okay. So this right here is a 2X. I don't believe I just broke that necklace. That is a 2X. This is a 2X. Oh my god, I just broke it again. Okay, let me see what this look like. Okay. I haven't tried this on either. You can wear this like a off the shoulder something. I don't believe I just broke that necklace. Or off the shoulder something. But of course this will be probably inside of here or something. I don't know. But of course I probably wouldn't even wear this with this. All I know is that I'm just showing it to you guys. The shirt. You know, it has a little everything around here. Oh, you can wear it up here. You know, it depends on what you like. And then I had also got like, what is that? Like a lavender color, like a pinkish lavender or something. I don't know. And this one right here is in a size 2X. So, oh, it's cute though. But I may take it in. So I don't know. I may get with it. You know what I'm saying? I may wear the 2X. It's fine. I mean, because I ain't no little small something. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so these right here are the pants. Where the pants? What are you doing in my room, Asia? Go ahead on out of here. Come on. Go. Go. See you later. Don't come back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is try on these pants. And these are a size 1X pants. And this is what they look like. Y'all, they are very see-through too. I'm going to leave that off, guys. Y'all done seen me by now. So, they pretty tight, though. They feel tight. They feel tight, like, up between here. But they come with, like, a string. It's not a drawstring. It's just a string that you can tie in the front. Right here. It's really stretchy though, and it feels nice, but up in here it's just really tight up in this area. And yeah, don't worry about that. It's okay. Let me just put that up there so you can't see it. All right, so this is what they look like, guys. Let me show you the back. Oh, this is what the back look like. I don't know. Will give me booty, guys? Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera off because I want to try on one more thing for you guys. This dress right here, which is a sundress, it was $7 and it's a 1X. Now, I don't know, guys. The reason why I'm like that, well, of course, you know, you don't wear this kind of bra with it. You know what I'm saying? You would wear something else to push you up and to bring that down, you know, so you had the sexiness. You know, but this have like pants to it. Let me turn this around. You see it? Can you see that? And it flares out a lot. Can you see all of that back there? You see all of that? And the reason why you see all that is because it's like a pants set. You see that? But it's reaching all the way down to the floor, guys. Let me move as you can see. This is all the way down to the floor. So, I don't like it all the way to the floor. You know? This is what the back looks like right here. I don't know. I would have to, yeah, I mean, unless I wear some heels. I don't know. First, I gotta see what this look like to myself, because I see how it looks here on camera, but to myself, I really don't see what it's looking like. So I would have to pretty much see. Oh, this is so on the floor. Why? See, I don't like that. That is so much on the floor. And it got my little stuff rising up. Anyway, and the next thing I got was a pair of shorts, guys, from there. And these are a size large. And the shorts, and it has like orange and yellow and black. I thought these was like really cute that I can be able to pair it with. Let me look in here. I cannot see what this look like. It look like a sexy dress though, but it's so super long. So I don't like that. The fact that it's just like super long.